Well, you've heard of wolves in sheep's clothing. Well, these are wolves with no sheep's clothing. And that's the warning in the Bible about false teachers. So you got to strip off the sheep's clothing and see them for what they are. They're wolves.
Buddy, look at the doggies. Crew, look, up. Crew, look. Buddy, look up there. Hey.
They may seem harmless, but in all honesty, they can rip open flesh very quickly.
Wow.
So the Bible gives a warning. Beware of wolves in sheep's clothing. So take the sheep's clothing off of false teachers and get rid of the false doctrine and only believe the holy word of God. Thank you for watching. This concludes the video.